नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां 7 म्हयन्या पयलीं आमी ह्याच ब्रिजाचेर येवन तुमच्या मुखार मुलाखती हाडिल्ली आनी त्याच्या उपरांत मुख्यमंत्र्यांक ह्याच ब्रिजाचेर बसून आमी मुलाखत वेगळी केल्ली. ताच्या उपरांत ब्रिज इनॉग्रेट जालो आनी त्या ब्रिजारसून आतां म्हणसर हजारांनी वाहनां गेल्लीं आसा. पूण तो आशिल्लो फर्स्ट फेज. आमी उलयता पॅरलल जुवारी ब्रिजा विशयी आनी आमी सद्या उलोवपाक आयिल्ले आसा सेकंड फेजा विशयी. केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलो, कितलें काम कंप्लीट जालां आनी आमी आयकलें जेन्ना की 90% वयर काम कंप्लीट जालां तेन्ना आमी खास रिक्वेस्ट केली मेळपा खातीर दिलीप बिल्डकॉनचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट अतुल जोशी हांकां. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर. थँक्यू वन्स अगेन फॉर एक्चुअली.
Thanks to you.
Sir, now when we speak of the second bridge, the first thing everyone wants to know is what is the percentage of work that is completed?
If we talk about financial completion, it's 97% has been completed. So only 3%, around 3% is balance.
And what about the physical completion of the bridge?
Physical, see, all the things are there. I mean, all the material is there. Only 6 segments has to be launched. So most likely by next month, the bridge will be connected, and only thing will be left of the finishing works will be left only.
So we can safely say in September this bridge will be completed.
It will be connected. Because the finishing works like your asphalting, because in monsoon time we cannot do the asphalting, so we'll have to wait for that.
Wait for that.
So
okay,
unless-
right now monsoon is on there, so
Yes.
another problem.
Yes,
That's a delay.
that would be a delay because of the monsoon.
Okay.
So we can say safely, we can say by November it will be completed.
By November it will be completed. So can we go around and see
Yeah, sure.
the structures?
Sure, please come.
So this is a part which is yet to be completed.
This is almost done. I mean, some precast slabs are balanced.
Huh.
So once this concreting is done, we'll put the precast slab over here.
Okay.
So this is not much of the work. The only balanced part is the center one. We'll show you.
Okay. So once that is what is left to be completed, right?
Yes.
The center one.
Yes.
So what was the learning from your earlier experiences of that bridge?
I mean, that bridge, everyone knows, I mean, it took a lot of time because
Huh.
the Chinese couldn't get the visa.
Huh.
Still, as on date also, they are not getting the visa.
Huh.
The European designer couldn't come. So we had to engage Indian designers, Bombay-based designers. And they, I mean, I'm really happy to say they have done a tremendous job. I mean, earlier, whatever the problems we were facing for one segment, it took us about 2 months to 3 months to lift.
Huh.
Now here we are getting a cycle of just 12 days.
Okay.
So, and all that data, whatever data is saying, is perfectly matching with the site.
So it helps to have Indian consultants on the board.
Definitely. I mean, it's a learning phase for India also.
Huh.
Because these type of bridges are very, rare in India.
Huh.
Now more and more bridges are coming up. So, so one day, I mean, even the bridge are being designed now in India.
Yeah.
So we don't have to depend on, other country designers.
So this is a completely made in India bridge.
Not really, because earlier European designers, Chinese designers were involved into this one.
Okay.
But now you can say, because except for the material is Chinese,
Huh.
otherwise all the things, I mean, the design part, execution part, so it's
Everything
completely
is
Indian,
Made in India.
made in India.
Okay, first phase was very difficult for you because everything was new. So
Yes.
second phase, like I was asking you the same thing. What are the learnings that you took from the first phase? Like first phase must be very tiring, difficult, every day.
It was
new
getting
challenges.
difficult, mainly because of the design issues. So once the design issues got resolved, I mean, with the Indian designers, I mean, it was really, I mean, you have seen, I mean, last 7 months back only, you know the position. After that, only in January or February, we started this bridge. And now it's almost will be completed in nine months.
Yeah. Okay. One more thing, actually, people should congratulate you. At least till now, there are no potholes on your bridge.
Well,
This bridge.
I'm really happy for that, actually. There are no potholes.
But this monsoons also delayed the completion of this project.
Yes, monsoon, because last month, you see, I mean, as per our record, I mean, there were about 2300 mm rainfall was there and heavy winds. the gust events. The gust events, we cannot operate the tower crane in monsoon. I mean, with the heavy rains, we cannot work on the site because the sea is choppy. Our boats don't move in that one. The labor cannot work. So 1 month, it got delayed basically.
You lost one. But
We
right
lost
now, I think it is sunny.
Right now
Sometime
it
it
is sunny,
rains.
yeah, fortunately.
And
So
then you
hopefully,
can-
yes,
Then you can complete work on
yes,
time.
yes, it's already going on. You can see that.
So what is the deadline that government has given you for completing this?
See, it's said about it will be completed in December, but way before that it will be completed.
Way before the...
October end or November it will be ready.
Okay, can we see the other part?
Yes, sure, I'll just show you.
So these are the cranes which are used for lifting your this thing.
Basically, they
Segments?
are used for not the segment. For segment, these are the lifting frames.
Huh.
These were used to lift the segment.
Okay, so this is a crane,
This is the crane basically. Yeah,
and
we lift the segment, we move it. Then again, we lift the segment, we move it.
okay.
Now this work for this crane, the work is over. So
Ah.
next week we'll start dismantling this one.
Okay, so every time you have to put together a crane and then again
No, it is
dismantle
in,
it.
no, we don't have to. It is in position only.
Huh.
I mean, you see, it is bolted.
Huh.
So there is a system. I mean,
Huh.
once the segment is lifted, bolted, the entire thing slides to the new segment.
Okay, we can see in water there are some cranes.
That
and-
crane is used for lifting of precast slabs because the top is
Okay.
precast slab.
Okay.
So most of the precast slabs is lifted by this lifter only.
Huh.
But for the cantilever part, I mean, this outside, this is footpath part.
Okay.
So for this, we have to use that crane.
Okay, so ये फुटपाथ दिस विल बी अ फुटपाथ, यहाँ पे बैरिकेडिंग होगा
Yes.
और
As you can see that bridge, I mean, there are 2 layers of protection is there.
हाँ
So crash barrier will come this side,
हाँ
then the railing, and then again railing. So basically 3 layers of protection would be there.
वहाँ से what is your experience that side after putting up that barricade? I think one experience is that people are not leaning on there and trying to click pictures.
That is one part, but still people, some people they do jump over.
हाँ,
They go and take selfies.
some people
So,
still jump over
Still
there.
jump, yes.
Okay. But at least accident wise, I think there are hardly a couple of accidents, that two road accidents. Otherwise,
The road
there are
accident
no.
has not happened on this bridge.
हाँ,
Unfortunately, no one, at least crash barrier, I mean, not a single vehicle has dashed this crash barrier.
हाँ.
On the approaches, yes, some accidents did happen, but not on the main bridge.
Have you studied like how many vehicles are actually using that finished portion of the bridge?
No, not really.
Not really. But okay, again, when this bridge will be completed, you will again do the tonnage load testing of this
Yes,
bridge.
yes. Road testing will be done.
And how much load you are going to check on this?
It was about 1,050 tons.
1050. That means around how many trucks?
Last time we used about 36 trucks we had used.
Huh. So they will be stationed. here.
Same, yes.
So tell us one more thing. There was an accident, unfortunate accident here, wherein a vehicle had
Fallen off,
crashed,
yes.
fallen off from there. And Dilip Buildcon also played a major role in rescue, salvage rather than rescue. So can you just tell us what happened that day? What was the role that you all played?
See, I mean, when the vehicle fell down in the river, so fortunately we had our crane barges here.
Huh.
So the administration, we simply helped the administration basically. They requested us to use our crane, and with the help of our crane, the vehicle was taken out.
Okay, so the crane which was used to get out the vehicle was of Dilip Buildcon.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your experience here for the second phase? It has been better than the first phase.
Definitely, it's been better. I'm happy to say that at least all the Indians only were involved in the construction of second bridge. In
Hmm.
first bridge, a lot of designers were there, a lot of experiments were there. But in second bridge, 100% Indians.
100%. So this would be perfectly made in India except for material.
Except for material, yes.
This would be. So now, once both the lanes are completed, your guarantee is for how many years? That for how many years you are going to maintain this?
We'll
bridge?
maintain it for 8 years after the completion.
8 years. And what is the guarantee of this bridge? How many years guarantee?
It is designed for 120 years, to last 120 years.
120 years.
But regular maintenance would be required. Periodic
And-
maintenance will be required.
And that is being done by Dilip Bilkon.
For up to
only?
8 years we'll do.
Huh.
And after that, the ministry may appoint some other party for the regular maintenance.
Okay. So this is like your own baby. So now it is getting completed. How do you feel? What are your feelings?
I mean, it's it's such a rare bridge that very few people get to work on these type of bridges.
Hmm.
And I'm the one who came from the day one until the completion. So I mean, there cannot be any bigger achievement this.
In fact, we will just revisit some of the memories which we had for the first interview. You said when you came here and you started working here, the biggest challenge was to put up the foundation in the water.
Yes.
It continued for second one also, or
No, initially because there was a condition in the contract that the foundation for both the bridges has to be monolithic.
huh?
Monolithic means combined.
Okay.
So the foundation for bridge 1 and bridge 2 were done simultaneously only. At that time only it were done.
Okay. So that one challenge was addressed for
Addressed
the
at that
second
time.
thing.
Yes.
Okay. Lot of questions were being asked when you actually completed the first phase. I remember after doing interview, we had a lot of comments down there saying that this bridge will fall for sure. Don't stand on this bridge. There will be potholes on this bridge. Wait for monsoons. What do you tell those people who have commented on this?
Bridge is standing. You know the condition of the potholes. We have seen massive rainfall last month. Still no potholes on the bridge. So what else I can say?
Now, what makes this, just from the engineering point of view, technology point of view, what makes this bridge not get any potholes?
Actually, the asphalting layer that we had done, it is called PMB. That is polymer modified bitumen. I mean, the polymer balls are melted and then mixed into bitumen. So it makes it more dense, and the surface gets very hard. So the water cannot penetrate through it. It just flows off the from the top. If the
Okay.
water flows, then only you'll get the potholes. If the water flows off from the top, you won't get the potholes.
But also there were allegations against you for creating several waterfalls along the road. People say ki water from your bridge was falling on the
That
highway which was earlier used, and
Actually, we had done the entire pipeline, but due to some reasons, I mean, the pipe or the maintenance problem, the pipes got loose. So because of that, only that happened. But we have addressed them. I mean, the pipes are placed correctly now.
no more waterfalls.
I don't see any waterfalls now.
Okay, so if you count how many man hours are spent on the entire structure, and when this is completed with 54 meters, I think this is the Asia's widest bridge.
Yes. Yes.
So how many man hours have you counted? How many man hours? How many?
Man hours we have not actually calculated, but you can say at the peak time we had about more than 1600 people working on all the three packages. As of now, I mean, we are nearing the completion. Total manpower, on-roll manpower that we have is around 150.
150.
Plus about 150 labor are there. So you can say that about 300 people are working on this bridge right now.
300 people at any given time of the
This
day.
is the minimum. Right now we are at the minimum level.
Okay. And then again, these people are again from the Orissa and other states. which
Yeah,
are-
different states, yes. Orissa, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar.
They have been working together. How half of them must have been must have been able to speak Konkani by now. They must. I think they have spent some 4-5 years now in Goa.
Yes, more than that.
Okay. So this bridge is second phase is getting completed. Once this is completed, what next for you? You hand it over to the government.
Yes, we'll hand it over to the government and we'll do the maintenance.
And when to open, whether to open, how much of to open, to whom to open, or everything will be
That
state
will-
government.
Yeah, that lies with the state government.
And what would you recommend the state government?
So our work will be once our work is completed, we'll notify the government that our work has been completed and it is all the tests have been carried out. It is safe for the travelers now. So after that, the government will take a decision.
That is a final
That
certification.
would be yes.
Okay, when you look at another bridge, it is also, this bridge will be replacing that another bridge. So are you also having some kind of job for that bridge or?
No, presently no.
So ये टॉवर भी इधर ही आएगा इसके ऊपर?
टावर का जो प्रपोज लोकेशन है अभी जो हमारा टावर क्रेन है,
हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली इट विल कम एट द सेम लोकेशन.
सेम लोकेशन एंड सेम हाइट आल्सो आई थिंक.
ऑलमोस्ट यस.
ओके, सो अगर लोगों को वापस, फॉर दोज पीपल हु नॉट सीन आवर फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू, उनको लोगों को अगर जाना है टॉवर पे तो नीचे से पार्किंग रहेगा.
नीचे पार्किंग रहेगा.
हाँ.
वहाँ से वॉकवे बनेगा अप टू दी पाइल कैप, ये जो उसका बेस है फाउंडेशन
हाँ.
टावर्स का,
हाँ,
यहाँ तक आएंगे. वहाँ से फिर लिफ्ट रहेगी, लिफ्ट से ऊपर जाएंगे.
लिफ्ट से ऊपर जाएंगे. और जिनको हाइट का फोबिया उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू नीड नॉट
हाइट का फोबिया उनको तो प्रॉब्लम है.
प्रॉब्लम. तो ये टॉवर विल हैव वीविंग गैलरी एंड रेस्टोरेंट एंड
What is proposed now, because it's
Proposed,
basically it's a PPP model. So
ओके.
it will depend on the concessionaire what he decides,
हाँ,
what he makes in that. He makes a restaurant or any other commercial, sort of a thing. So it
Okay.
will completely depend on the concessionaire.
सो बिडिंग में ये स्पेसिफाई नहीं है कि इसका क्या इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा.
it is to be used for commercial purpose.
हाँ.
One viewing gallery has to be there. So one viewing
Okay.
gallery would be there. The other, other can be used either for a restaurant or anything, or a banquet hall or a hotel, whatever.
And what would you suggest for those people? Because right now we don't know who will win that bid for project. But
Yes.
what would be your suggestion for those people? Because I think they will have to construct the entire tower.
Yes.
So they will have to work along with you.
Our work will be completed by then.
But then still again, it's just touching your.
It is
between
touching
your-
that. So we have to take some precautions. The only thing is we have to take the precautions. We'll ask them to take precautions not to touch our bridge.
हाँ.
So
Do
otherwise,
anything but don't touch our bridge. बीच में करो.
हाँ बीच में ही करना है वहाँ पे. We cannot take support from the pylons basically,
Okay.
because it's designed unless it is checked by our designers.
Okay. तो ये टॉवर के लिए कितना, how many days it might take or months it might take?
So the time given in the tender, I think it is for 5 years.
5 years. आराम से
Should-
करो.
Because permissions, other things, lot of things are there.
Okay. But actual construction time, how much it will take?
Construction time would take around 3 years, 3 to 4 years it will take.
3 to 4 years. पूरा including lift, viewing
Everything,
gallery.
everything.
So ये टॉवर में बीच में कुछ नहीं रहेगा. The last ये इतना ही रहेगा.
बीच में स्पेस भी नहीं है. There is a space constraint also. So only once you cross the pylon, you cross 100 meters, then only you get the space to make anything.
Okay. So tower would be another attraction once it is
It definitely
completed
will be here.
for parallel Zuari Bridge. So now safely we can say, as we wind up the interview, that by November the bridge will be ready
Yes,
and you will be handing it over to the state government.
yes.
And then for next 8 years you will be maintaining the bridge.
That's correct.
Okay. In fact, sir, thank you very much for spending time with us and
Thanks to you and your team.
for letting us actually walk on this bridge. And we are looking forward for again meeting you when actually it will be completed.
Definitely, even I look forward to that.
So when it will be completed, I will just revisit the thing. One is that November there is a deadline which we are looking at. Once it is completed, means it can be used by any kind of vehicle.
Yes.
It will be perfectly fine.
Perfect, like same as the
Same
Edison
as
Bridge.
this.
Yes.
Okay, and as far as the weaving gallery is concerned, it will be a PPP mode. Yet we are not yet clear which company will do the work. Yeah, thank you very much. Sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
हे आशिल्ले दिलीप बिल्डकॉनचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट अतुल जोशी. ते म्हणटा की नोव्हेंबर म्हणसर जो दुसरो फेज आसा आनी वीच इज फायनल फेज is being complete will be completed, and after that this could be open any time for the vehicles. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक. तुमी पळयता ती खाशेली पासय ऑन जुवारी ब्रिज 2 म्हटल्यार जाता, बिकॉज फेज 1 आमी केल्ली आसा, थंय वचून पळया. आनी हे मातशें सोंपचे पयलीं आमकां यूट्यूबाचेर, इंस्टाग्रामाचेर, फेसबुकाचेर फॉलो करपाक विसरूं नाका. पळयत रावात गोवा न्यूज. आनी चॅनल पार्टनर्स RDX आणि प्रोडक्शन पार्टनर्स प्रसाद देशपांडे मेंटॉर्ड, goabalin.com. कीप वॉचिंग.